Hello traders, D7 here with freetradingvideos.com. We are looking at a whole plethora of stocks, a lot of charts. These are just some setups I'd like for you to take a look at, and we'll see how they play out this week. Anyway, this is BIDU. It's a falling wedge formation, which is bullish. We have a bullish divergence. We did pop to the upside on some increasing volume, waiting for a nice little pullback as we're getting here, and we could see some more upside potential on BIDU. Let's look at CELG. Pull this back just a hair. What type of formation is this? This is a bear flag formation. Have a higher swing high with a lower swing high on the MACD, a bearish divergence. Given a high probability of this breaking down from this point at 55.71. So let's see if this does in fact drop. We're going to go on to ARA. Here's typical symmetrical triangle. These could be bullish or bearish, with a few things that I am noticing here with these gap down, runs up, gap down, run up, gap down, run up. This looks like this should be more bullish than bearish, even though technically speaking these could go either direction. I do like the support that the moving averages are bringing in. So let's watch ARA and see what this one does. This should make a move sometime fairly soon. And we're going to take a look at AEM. Now this one, this is probably one of the prettier charts I've found. Nice rising wedge, which is bearish. Beautiful, beautiful bearish divergence in the MACD. We have a down day Friday on big volume. So this can continue up into this apex area of the wedge, but I'm calling this one, it's going to find its high right here somewhere. So I see this one breaking down in the very near future. NYX, these financials guys, no one wants to touch them with the 10-foot pull, but I do have a gap down. A lot of times it's a specialist behavior, gap down and a run up, and this is usually the bottom. As you can see right here, we have support, and we're down in this area again. We did make a higher high, closed high. I'll tell you, if I don't know if you watched the last couple hours of NYX, a lot of volume coming in, a lot of volume, nice punch at the end of the day. It wouldn't surprise me if we'd see some nice upward action here on NYX. Let's look at ICE. ICE is interesting, nice downtrend, low, high, came low, we come back up, we do a little pullback, but we're not dropping violently. And then we get a dragonfly doji. It looks like it's wanting to pop through. If we can pop through this area of 135.50, this could make some higher ground too. So it'd be interesting to watch some of these financials and see how they do. ISRG, this has been a monster. Had a nice gap up on earnings. Now we have a ascending triangle formations, which is bullish. We have some support here, a little support, resistance. And if we can pop up through resistance, perhaps we get to over $312. This thing could make a nice little run. So we'll keep an eye on ISRG. NVIDIA. Symmetrical triangle. They can be bullish or bearish. This one broke down bearish on big volume. So we could get what's a dead cat bounce where we pull back and then retest what was acting as support down. You'll see that I draw my trend lines very traditional. I have my own art on drawing trend lines, my own reasoning behind it. And anyway, you can draw them any way you want to. But anyway, I have my reasons why I draw them this way, and feel free to try to figure it out for yourself watching the videos. And I even did a post on one of my most recent videos on what I'm looking for. If you look under my, not a post, it's more of a comment under one of my most recent videos. Somebody asked about how I draw my trend lines, because they are untraditional. And I explained it in there, so feel free to look under my comments under my videos. And OI, a nice rising wedge formation, bearish divergence here. I see this being near the high. Look for downward movement on this one. And SIGM. I didn't draw my lines on this one. Let's do Yeah, I see what I was seeing. Yes, yes, yes. Nice downtrend. Then we get our W. See this? Double bottom or a falling wedge with a divergence, a bullish divergence. Very nice. We pop through. Here's a pullback. This is a beautiful pullback with a doji. If I were to draw a Fibonacci on here, we probably pull back to the 226 area. I see us making higher grounds here on SIGM. Oh, you know what's interesting? I just typed in SM. This is a stock I wasn't even looking at. But what a nice setup. Wow, SM. Huh. Let's try SIG. M. There it is. Yeah, nice symmetrical triangle. This could break out either direction. Be watching for this one. And last but not least, TSO. Nice falling wedge. Bullish divergence. Looking for upward movement on this one. So anyway, just a handful of stocks. I decided to go ahead and give you my watch list for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday of this week. So feel free to watch them with me, and perhaps you might find a play or two out of it. Have a great time trading. Have a very profitable week. Protect yourself with stop losses. Take care. Happy trading.